This 2023 Sunset Park RV Volt 1500 is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Texarkana, Texas, 75503 and is offered for sale by Genuine RV and Powersports. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Sunset Park RV is 18 feet 8 inches in length and features a Grotto interior, sleeps 4, carbon monoxide detector, LP detector, self-contained, spare tire kit, external shower, TV antenna, water heater, skylight, microwave, air conditioning, and 36 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front dinette, outdoor kitchen, rear bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Sunset Park RV Volt 1500 is 2,990 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.